Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Karanina and this space is all about mindful living, general well-being and hearty food. Today I'll welcome you, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make bean brownies. Puddings is just something that me and my family really like. So I came across this recipe from another YouTube channel which is called Mind Over Munch. Go out and check it out. She's got great recipes in there. So I took out her bean brownie recipe and I just tweaked it a little bit with the things that I had available in the cupboard and a few extra. So I hope that you like this recipe. I certainly do, and my family as well. And they don't really mind the fact that it's made with beans rather than flour. So without further ado, let me show you how I make it. This is a very easy recipe, and the hardest thing is just getting all the ingredients out of the cupboard. But at the end you end up with this delicious hot bean brownie that you can just tuck in. So we can either enjoy it with custard or with cream, or maybe even ice cream if you fancy. Let me know in the comments down below if you decide to make this recipe and what your thoughts were. I would love to see your comments. Until my next video, stay strong, healthy and happy.